This case now has national attention. The U.S. Supreme Court paused a federal judge's order that Kilmar Abrego Garcia be returned to the U.S. Now his legal fight is in limbo. Abrego Garcia was in the country illegally. However, in 2019, an immigration judge withheld his removal because he had been the target of violent gangs in El Salvador. Abrego Garcia did have a permit to legally work in the U.S. when he was taken into custody on March 15th. Now, court records show he regularly checked in with immigration officials and was never charged with a crime.
To the Supreme Court Justice, do the right thing. History will always remember you. I'm still fighting for you. Your brother, your mother, our children are still fighting for you. We're not going to give up hope.
Maryland Senator Chris Van Hollen reaffirmed his commitment to fight for Abrego Garcia's return to the U.S.
What has happened here should never happen in the United States of America. This is something that is so reprehensible that we will fight back in the courts, and we'll fight back in Congress, we'll fight back in our communities. But right now, of course, this is in the courts.
Well, yesterday, U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi told reporters she will fight against Abrego Garcia's return to the U.S. She called the federal judge's ruling an overstep of her authority. The White House maintains Abrego Garcia was a member of MS-13, even though his attorneys deny that accusation.
So to say that he was training to be an electrician does not legitimize him from being a violent gang member. And we will continue to fight for the safety of Americans.
Well, there are still plenty of unknowns about this case. While the U.S. Supreme Court paused the federal judge's order for Abrego Garcia's return, it's not clear how long that pause stays in effect. Abrego Garcia's attorneys noted it could be days or even weeks, but we will continue to follow developments in this story.